everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We are going to do a tiny little 8-inch wreath frame. These are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add a pipe cleaner at each crossbar. So there's 4 pipe cleaners right there. And then I'm going to add a pipe cleaner in the middle of every crossbar. So that means there's 8 twist ties on this wreath. And you're going to say, well, that'll slide. No, I'm going to go and add just 1 drop of hot glue on each of the ones that's in the center. So they won't slide. Okay, and then I cut my mesh, which I'm using a poly burlap mesh. I cut it 12 inches. I'm going to tuck the ends down so we don't have to worry about fraying, because you know mesh likes to fray, and it also will give you a little curl, which will give you more texture to your wreath. And then I'm crunching the center and making a bow tie. See the little bow tie? And I'm going to start with the ones that I'm going to start with this one. Trying to get it even in there, and then kind of spread it out a little bit. This is called the Woodland Ruffle from Tiffany from Woodland Design. She created this method. Just curl the ends and make like 2 curls, and then actually this is my favorite way to do a deca mesh wreath, is a woodland ruffle, or woodland ruffle they call it, because it doesn't fray as much. Anytime you can get your ends of your mesh to not be out and exposed, it prevents the fray of your mesh. Or it prevents a lot of the fray of your mesh. There will always be some. Now I'm going in and add ribbon. I have two kinds of ribbon. One is cheetah and one is the buffalo plaid. And I take this and I pleat it. And then I take this, the pipe cleaner, and I twist it down. And I'm going to do that all the way around the wreath. The biggest thing is it's hard on this leopard ribbon to determine which one's the inside and which one's the out. So be careful if you have ribbon like this. And then here's the last one. Then we're going to go ahead and make our bow. Okay, where'd my easy bow go? We're going to make an easy bow. We don't want it really big. Because our wreath isn't really big. Here's our sign. Little sign for the wreath. That'll go in the center. I may even do one for the top and one for the bottom. I think that's what I'll do. This bow is only 3 inches by 3. Each loop, the biggest loop is 3 inches. So that means this one will probably, the leopard will be about 2 inches. And I did 4 loops on the black and white. So I'm on the cheetah, I'm going to only do 2 loops. So it's a small little bow, but it isn't a big wreath, so. I like them big bows. I really like them big bows, but you can't overpower your wreath. Let me put him down here. And then I have little leopard print pumpkins. I'm going to go back and add a couple leopard print pumpkins here and there. I'm going to grab my leopard print pumpkins because I was crazy and forgot them. good thing the leopard print pumpkins, you just go like this and they pull right off. And I'm going to add one of these leopard print pumpkins right to our bow. I'm going to trim down this because this is way too big a stem. Some of this, but it also is way too big. And I always like to make it like a corkscrew, like the pumpkin stem. I'll put one up here at the top. Okay, I need to staple the sign on. But here is our little tiny wreath. This is what it'll be like. This is our Hello pumpkin wreath. It's an 8-inch wreath frame. It's probably maybe 10, might be even 12 inches. I have to measure it. My guess is 10, but I could be wrong. Oh, I am wrong. It's more like 16 inches. It's about 16 inches. But it's a cute little wreath. This would be great for an apartment or a smaller house. For a long time, I lived in a small house, and this would have been perfect for my the house I lived in. But thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you later. Bye.